Hello and welcome. You're watching The Money Show. I'm with you, Kavita Thapaliyal. In many Indian households, financial decisions are often delegated to one person, usually the husband or a senior male family member. While this may work in day-to-day life, it can leave women vulnerable when faced with unexpected events. Financial awareness isn't just about distrust. It's about preparedness. Every woman, whether she's a homemaker, managing the household, or a professional earning her own income, should know where the family's investment are held, who's the nominees, what loans and liabilities exist, and how to access critical financial information during an emergency. One simple conversation today can prevent immense financial stress tomorrow. So, on today's The Money Show, Women's Wednesday, we discuss why women can no longer afford to stay out of family finances and the practical steps every family can take to build financial transparency. Because financial literacy isn't just about creating wealth, it's about ensuring security, preserving dignity, and giving every woman the confidence to make informed decisions when it matters the most. And this is The Money Show, where even you can reach out and discuss your financial investments with us, with our experts. There's a QR code that you need to scan and you will be connected to a WhatsApp number. You can send across all your questions. Women's Wednesday is all about for those women who want to walk on the path of financial freedom and financial independence. So that's the QR code where you can send across all the details of your investments, insurance, or anything money related that you want help from our viewers, from our experts. And we will help you align all your financial investments with all your financial goals. But let's start with a very interesting story. The story of a woman who chose courage over comfort and decided to follow her calling. That's right. Mukulita Ganguly left a secure job, planned her finances, embraced a simpler way of living, and explored new ways to earn and grow. Her journey is not just about following a dream, but also about building financial independence, investing in herself, and creating a life on her own terms. Mukulita, hi, good evening, and welcome to The Money Show. Very inspiring journey, and especially for our viewers who dream a lot and who want to live the life they dream. You are truly an inspiration. But let me start off with this question. Could you take us back to the moment, when you decided to leave your job? What actually triggered over there? What made you take that leap? Because that's the tricky space to be in.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Kavita. And I'm really glad to be here. And I hope whatever I experience in my journey can inspire other people. So I am still in this journey. It's not like I've become some expert, but I can definitely share the moment when I realized that I have to come out of this was when I realized the corporate structure can sometimes be very overwhelming, and it can also be sometimes a bit restricting. People may have other desires and dreams and wishes to fulfill, and then you just spend away hours working for someone else. And that is what really struck me, that I really wanted to give more time to my passions. And I'm a very multi passionate person. Like, I do a lot of things, I love doing a lot of things. And that is when I thought that, okay, I can't be living within this structure anymore. Of course, it helped me earn money and it gave me a lot of stability, because of which I'm very grateful. But I think right after a couple of years into the job, I knew that eventually I had to leave it to follow my passion, and I started preparing.
All right, very interesting. But the journey is definitely full of challenges. Before leaving a steady income, that's a comfort factor, which people by default get into. Were you preparing yourself already financially? Somewhere back of your mind, did you have that thing that I might want to quit this at a specific time? And were you preparing yourself financially for that? I'm sure it must have
Yes.
not been like, an overnight decision.
Yeah, absolutely not. It was not an overnight decision. It was very thoroughly planned,
Okay.
because I think as a woman in today's date, you can't just take any rash decision. You have to be very, very careful about what you're deciding, because your future at the end of the day lies in your hands. And I did plan for more than 1 year actually. And my managers at my work, my colleagues, they were very supportive, and they understood where I was coming from when I told them that, this is what I'm thinking. And they were really supportive, and also my family was really supportive. So I think apart from these things, what I focused on was saving up, making investments that would help me choose this path, because it sounds really exciting and fancy, but it's a difficult thing to do without having a stable income that's coming into your bank account every month. You're really choosing a path that is unknown, that
Right, which
has
is
a
what
lot
gets me
of
to the
ups and
question.
downs.
Which is what gets me the question, what were your saving targets? Any particular corpus that you had accumulated via your investment strategies?
Yes, I while I was on the job, I was heavily investing through whatever government policies were there, government opportunities were there, which would help me also save taxes, like the PFs and the PPFs, and insurance policies. So I was investing through all of these, and later I started investing in mutual funds, in fixed deposits, and also apart from just these financial investments, I also invested a lot in myself in terms of upskilling myself, in terms of really learning different kinds of things. As an artist, I practiced and trained a lot in different ways. So that also is a big investment when you actually upgrade yourself as a person.
So currently, what is your lifestyle? And when I talk about earning, are you at par with the earning that you had when you were in a corporate job? What else have changed? Are you still investing? You invested in yourself and you created multiple income streams. But how is that benefiting you now? Are you there with your? Are you at par with your corporate earning now?
No, to be honest, it's been just 4 years that I've left my job, and it was a really well-paying job, right? I am not yet at par with whatever I was earning, because if I'm comparing, like, absolutely in terms of monetary benefits. But yes, I am still investing. I do invest in mutual funds. And also, apart from that, I think my lifestyle is very fluid, very flexible. So I really am kind of a traveler, like a vagabond traveler, I would say. So I have very few commitments, in the sense that I don't have to pay loans. I don't have a house loan or a car loan. So any of those things that kind of ties me down to one place, which I feel is a blessing in disguise. So a lot of people probably at my age would be having these, right? So me not having these kind of gives me the freedom to move around as my whims and fancies desire. So right now I have all these different ways of earning, which really always keeps me busy. Because as an artist, I also am constantly working on my own projects, apart from the ones that give me earning. So all together, I feel it's a very fulfilling life that I have, and it's very difficult at times. Of course, there are struggles, but these are struggles that I love going through,
All right. So, definitely not having a financial liability or responsibility gives you that freedom to live the life that you want to. But thank you so much today for being on this show and helping our viewers, or our women viewers and investors, understand the importance of having dreams and the courage to go for those dreams. Thank you so much for taking your time out today. Thanks.
Thank you.
And with that, it's time for a short break. And post that, we'll be connecting with our expert, Harshvardhan Rungta, who will be answering your portfolio queries. So just in case you want to send across your question, it's the Women's Wednesday episode. Just scan the QR code that's coming on your screen and you'll be connected. Send across all your existing investment decisions or your strategies, anything that you want help with. Our experts are there to guide you. See you after this break.